Joseph Homer here. Do me a favor, while you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button right down below. Then hit the little bell for post notifications. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. Today's video, real quick, this morning, I stopped at Harbor Freight over the weekend and picked up the side tray for a Harbor Freight tool cart. So we're going to get it installed this morning so I can start using it. As you can see, I have brought the tool cart back to work with me. I took it home for a while. Well, my toolbox here at work got full, so we brought it back. So let's get this thing opened up and we'll get it installed. This shouldn't take very long. It actually looks like it's going to be a pretty easy process to get it put on the cart. We'll see what all it comes with, even though it really doesn't need any hardware because you use all the hardware that was originally used to assemble the cart. As you can see, they do give you some new nuts and bolts. It's all packaged up. And we got bubble wrap. We've got, well, the baggie broke. We've got nuts and bolts. Take all these out here before I lose them. Alright. Hence the reason for the side tray. I don't have a good place to put them all. Get the bubble wrap on. Instruction book. We don't need those. Come on now, who reads the instructions anyway? Oh! And say hi to Lita, she just walked through. Alright, so pretty simple. If I don't do this backwards. We're going to take the 4 bolts out here on the end of the cart. I think they were 13 millimeter. Go. One. Yes, guys, this cart is fully loaded with tools, and I'm taking the 4 bolts out. But there's 2 more bolts here, and 2 more bolts on the front to hold it all together. Slide our bolt through from the underside of the tray, through the hole in the cart, those 2 started. Now I can actually put that right in there. So it'll look like when it's all done. We'll get the bottom one started. Just like that. All we have to do is run through and tighten them all up. Alright guys, so that's all there is to it. It's on. All you need is 13 millimeter. You don't need the nuts that come with it, they supply them. But the nuts for the cart are plenty long enough. So the only thing I'm going the box that they so generously gave me. And instead of throwing it all out, kind of open it up. We're going to trim it up here a bit. I'm just going to leave that piece of cardboard sit right there. In fact, I'll flip it over. Until I can find a piece of foam or something else to put down there to keep it from getting all torn up. So that way the paint doesn't get scratched. If I get oil on it, I can just throw it out and get a new one. So guys, that's how easy it is to install this on the cart. And I paid, with the 20% off coupon, after the 20% off coupon they send you in the mail, I paid $22 for this side tray. So as you can see, I'm not going to put a whole lot of weight on it, but I'm pushing down pretty good. I mean, you can see me shaking the cart, and it'll handle it. So do me a favor, guys, like I said before, please click the subscribe button, please rate the video. You have any questions about this or anything else you see on the channel, drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. So stay tuned.